Tired of feeling like someone's always watching you online? Well, a lot of apps on your iPhone are actually tracking your every move across other apps and websites. They do this to build a profile on you and show you targeted ads. But guess what? You can stop this with just one simple tap. It's super easy. Let me show you how. First, grab your iPhone and go to Settings. Then, scroll down a bit until you see Privacy and Security. Tap on that. Now, at the top, you'll see an option called Tracking. Go ahead and tap on it. Here's the magic button. Allow apps to request to track. If it's on, just toggle it off. That's it. From now on, new apps won't even be able to ask if they can track you. You've just taken a huge step in reclaiming your digital privacy. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.